Hey, what's up, guys? It's Christian again. For this experiment, what we want is when we get a full Ziploc bag, and we're gonna go to either our front yard, backyard, and we're gonna collect some dirt. And see, I already have mine right here. You want it about this full. It's almost to the top, and then this is how much we're gonna use for the next experiments. And I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do for the soil experiment. So basically what you're gonna do is, you could use a normal spoon, your kitchen spoon, just make sure you wash it. But what you wanna do is get a tablespoon of whatever dirt you find in, your backyard, your front yard. You get a pretty good scoop. Doesn't matter what kind of dirt, just, whatever you wanna use. You get a tablespoon, a big enough scoop, put it in your hand. And then what we're gonna do next is get some water. And then we're gonna get it nice and moist by adding a little bit at a time, making sure it's all wet. And then from here, we're gonna go to our paper, which basically says, we're gonna go step by step. So basically we start right here, and then when we squeeze it, we gotta check if it stays in a ball, which it does. And then from there we go to this next step, where we place the ball between our thumb and our finger, like so. And then we're gonna press on it and let it ride off my finger like that. And then if it forms a ribbon, which in my case it didn't, you're gonna go to no. So then you know for sure that your sample, well, mine is loamy sand. Yours could be different. So mine, because it's loamy sand, it ends right there. But for you guys, if it does make a ribbon, you would measure it. If it's 1 inch long, you go right here. If it's not, check 1 to 2 inches long before it breaks off, you go right here. And if it's 2 inches or more, go right here. And then you would just keep following the steps. And then if it feels gritty means if it feels kind of rough. And then if so, you keep moving on. You just follow the arrows. And if it's smooth, yes or no. And then if it's not smooth or gritty, you're in the bottom. But you will just keep following along until you've figured out what yours was. But like I said, because mine didn't stretch far out like a ribbon like in this picture, it's just loamy sand.